How's it going, viewers? Hey guys, to show you, I'm getting ready to cook some schnitzel again. I made some up over the weekend. I didn't take a video of it because I've done plenty. But there we have butter. Yeah, almost as much as that. That's what I put in there. That's for the rest. And then, of course, to stop the butter from burning, we add some oil. You don't want the butter burning. Yuck. Okay, the oil stops the butter from burning, and if you're using olive oil, the butter actually stops the oil from burning. The two of them together are able to get to a much higher heat without burning. So it works really nice. And don't forget about the cholesterol. For those idiots that think cholesterol is bad for you, okay, go do some research. Don't listen to a doctor. Not without doing the research first. Then you might be able to ask him some questions and see if he actually knows anything. Okay, yes, there are some good doctors out there. I've met quite a few. But they have done their research in natural therapies. They have done training in foods, natural foods, and they do know the benefits of natural cooking. Okay? Don't just go by somebody who's only been taught about chemicals and knows nothing else. So this is a high cholesterol diet. Okay, cholesterol, see all that? All that skin, all the tissues underneath it, the muscle, the fat, the blood vessels, all made with cholesterol. You look like a dried up prune if you don't have cholesterol. Okay? You need cholesterol to be healthy. It is a natural part of your life. The old caveman, like, what did a caveman eat? You know, in the old days of the caveman, what did he eat? I guarantee it wasn't, nuts and berries. He was a meat eater. That's what he ate. Lots of meat, lots of fat. That's how you keep warm in the bush. High fat diet. Good for you. Okay, well, that's my say on that. Okay, you guys take care. We'll catch you again soon. I'm just going to let that heat up. So this takes a little while. We've got very low power here. So it takes a while for it to heat up, but I thought I'd show you the butter melting and add the coconut oil. So you can start getting an idea what it's like to eat healthy food. You know, your mum and dad may, depending on your age. Okay, I'm 60. My mum and dad, my father was a German pastry chef, and Mum was taught how to cook in Germany when she was a young girl. And all they cooked was lard and butter in those days. Okay, yes. And it was great. I've got to make schmaltz. One of the days I'll make some schmaltz, which is lard, onions, bacon, salt and pepper. And that becomes a spread that you put on sandwiches. Very, very popular overseas. Need you guys to see it so you can see how it's made, and it's great. It's fantastic food, very, very healthy for you. There's nothing but lard. Okay, talk to you again soon. See ya.